My name is Ben Griffin. I have a company called Great Escapes Wales, which is a holiday letting agency in North Wales. We've been trading for 3 years. Managing its growth and just pushing the business forward is the biggest challenge to date so far, and probably will be for a long time. I think the greatest achievement, well, it's tiered really. I mean, the very first house that I took on was a great feeling. You know, I mean, it was the start of good things, and then I guess probably the 50th house as well. We recently have taken our 4,000th booking, which is pretty good going for 3-year trading. The best advice I can give, using my own experience, is just getting the coverage that you need for your products. Cottages can be advertised all over. It's horses for courses. You can get a small minimalist apartment in Llandudno or big stately homes. It's just finding the right level. Social media, is key, really. The coverage on Google as well. I mean, Google rankings, that kind of thing is it's a dark art, but it's most definitely something to pay attention to, and to learn it yourself, really. I mean, you can get a lot of good advice from other people, but actually it helps to become knowledgeable yourself, so you know exactly where you're spending your money. We had a mentor. I had a mentor when I started the business, who introduced me through Jobs Growth Wales. They were really helpful. I mean, not least because we had some great advantages by taking on somebody from Jobs Growth Wales, and that helped because, it was in effect, it allowed the candidate to train, free of charge. I mean, I got all the money back I spent on her employment came back to me, so we were able to train her really well. But also through that scheme, I got lots of legal advice as well from another mentor, and it was great to have someone at the end of the phone that I could just pick up and say, can I have some help with interviewing process? I mean, that was really helpful. And also a business plan. I spent a good 2 hours with my mentor writing a business plan right at the beginning, and I still refer back to it now. It's great. I guess, speaking personally, what traits have I found have been important for me to succeed is dealing with stress levels. Starting up your own business is extremely stressful. It's you don't really know what you're getting yourself in for when you start up a business. A lot of people see it as perhaps an easy option, but it doesn't take you very long to find out that it's very, very much not the easy option. I think probably to carry on and build on the success, personally, I think dealing with stress is important, but also having a good knowledge of exactly, of your business and of your industry in the whole. It's really important to get a grasp of that very, very quickly. Be organised. You can find that you can get very much bogged down with all the different tasks. Prioritise what you need to do. Remain organised. Be brave. Don't be afraid to make big decisions, to take risks. I mean, it is obviously very important that when you've got a small business that you've just started up, that you don't be too risky, because there's a lot riding on it. But also, don't be too conservative. Decide that if you want to go with your gut instincts on certain things, go for it. Learn from your mistakes. It's important to make mistakes because it's the best way of learning how to improve what you're doing. I've made lots of mistakes so far. So have the people that work for me. And the best advice I give them, and the best advice I have to remind myself when I do make these mistakes, is learn from it, move on, and that's the only way you're going to learn how to succeed.